Hello guys, today I am discussing about the gear. So, what is the gear? Gears are the wheel with tooth and it is used to transmission of power from one shaft to another shaft. And this arrangement is called gearing. So, what is the purpose of a gear? That the purpose of a gear that is to transmit a power from one shaft to another shaft. So actually different types of gears are there. So we are divide this into suppose number one, that is spar gear, helical gear, herringbone gear, rack and pinion gear, bevel gear and worm gear. So those are the different types of gears are spar gear, helical gear, herringbone gears, rack and pinion, bevel gear and worm gears are there. These are the different types of gear. I have already told in the previous class, or I have already sent you a video in the previous week. So I think all of you have already familiar with these gears. Now spar gear is in our syllabus. So we have to draw a spar gear, that is spar gear in our syllabus. So you can see here, this is the gear tooth of, these are the ones, actually so many tooths are there. So I am drawn here only two teeth of gears, number one and number two. Understand? This is a tooth of a spar gear. The spar gear has a nomenclature. These are the two tooths are there. First of all, you have to know what are the nomenclature of spar gear. So number one, that is pitch circle diameter. Number two, number of teeth, pitch circle diameter. So pitch circle diameter, here this is the pitch circle. This is the pitch circle. Understand? This is a pitch circle. So what is the definition of a pitch circle? The definition of a pitch circle is pitch circle diameter is the diameter, it is the outer diameter of imaginary cylinder or friction disc in every pair of mating gears rolling on each other without slip. So pitch circle diameter is the outer diameter, So pitch circle diameter is the outer diameter of imaginary cylinders or friction disc in every pair of mating gears rolling on each other without slip. Understand? So I am seeing you a picture here, then you can understand. This is the two mating gears are there. You can see this is the gear tooth of one gear and another gear tooth are there. These are two meshing gears. Meshing gear, you can see here. These two are the meshing gears. Understand? So this gear, this is one tooth of one gear, another meshing gear is this. And here you can see, here the two outer diameter, this is the outer diameter of the gear profile, these are the gear profile. These are mesh at this point, this, the profile of this gear and this tooth, they are meshing at this point, and this point is called pitch point. And if we draw a circle through this point for this gear and through this point for this gear, so this is the pitch circle. This is the pitch circle, means the circle drawn through the pitch point. This is the pitch circle for this gear, and this is the pitch circle of this gear. Understand? So this is the pitch point. That's why I am telling that the pitch circle diameter is the outer diameter of the imaginary cylinder or friction disc in every pair of mating gears rolling on each other without slip. Understand? So pitch circle diameter, here you can see in this picture, this is the pitch point. So these are the pitch point. This. So if we draw a circle through this, so this is called pitch circle. PCD is also called PCD. Understand? Pitch circle diameter, or it is also we can denote by D, capital D. Capital D means this is pitch circle diameter. The diameter of this pitch circle, that is pitch circle diameter, PCD. Understand? So this is the pitch circle diameter. Diameter means total. This is the pitch circle. This is the pitch circle. If we draw a circle, and this is the pitch circle, and diameter of this circle, it is called pitch circle diameter. Understand? Then number of teeth. Here we can see how many number of teeth are there. I am drawn here only 2 teeth. Similarly, so many teeth are there. So this is the number of teeth. Next one, that is circular pitch. That is circular pitch. Circular pitch is the distance between a pair on tooth and a corresponding point on the next tooth measured along the pitch circle of the gear. It is denoted by small p, or we can denote it but by Cp or P suffix C. Understand? Circular pitch, Cp. So what do you mean by the circular pitch? Circular pitch is the distance between a point on one tooth and a corresponding point on the next tooth measured along the pitch circle of the gear. So if we suppose we measure from here this tooth and the corresponding tooth is this one, so it is the distance along the pitch circle from the corresponding tooth of the next tooth is here. Suppose if we consider from here, this is the from here this point to the corresponding point of the next tooth, means this is the pitch circle. So this distance is the pitch circle. This is the circular pitch. This is the circular pitch of this gear from here to here. These are the two teeth, and from here we take the point from here and the corresponding point of the next tooth, that is this point. From here to here, this is Cp, means circular pitch. And it is denoted by Cp equals to how much? Cp equals to pi d by n. Pi d by n. D, where D means the pitch circle diameter and n is the number of teeth of that gear. How many number of teeth are there in this gear? Understand? Then another term is there, that is dp. dp, what do you mean by dp? The dp is the diametral pitch. The dp is the diametral pitch, means dp. It is the ratio of number of teeth to the pitch circle diameter, means capital D. Therefore dp equals to how much? dp equals to that is called diametral pitch. dp is the diametral pitch. dp equals to what? dp equals to, it is the ratio of number of teeth to the pitch circle diameter of the gear. So number of teeth, that is n, it is denoted by n, and pitch circle diameter denoted by d. So n by d is called the dp, that is called diametral pitch of that gear. Understand? Pitch point. What is the pitch point? I have already told you that, I have already shown you that the pitch point is the contact point of pitch circle of two meshing gears. I have already seen you that this is the pitch point here. You can see these are the two meshing gears, and these two gears are met at this point. You can see you met this point. So this is the pitch point. This is the pitch point. Similarly here, this is also an pitch point. If we mesh another gear through this, understand? So this is the pitch point, where is the contact point of pitch circle of two meshing gears. Understand? Then module, another term is there, that is called module. What do you mean by module? Module is the main design parameters, and it is defined as the inverse of the diametral pitch. It is defined as inverse dp, you can see here, dp is n by d. So module is the what? Inverse of diametral pitch means dp. So if dp is n by d, then module, it is denoted by small m. Module equals to, it is the reverse. Module is 1 by dp, 1 by diametral pitch. That's why it is d by n, capital D by n. So the module is the ratio of the pitch circle diameter to the number of teeth of that gear. Understand? So module equals to how much? D by n, or we can see that D means pitch circle diameter equals to module into number of teeth. Understand? So this is another term, and then it comes addendum. Addendum. I am telling that this is the I am naming the gear. You can already understand this is the tooth, and this is the top face of this tooth. Understand? This is the top. This is also called top land. This is also called top land. Understand? This is called top land. So see this top land. This is the top land. It is also called crest. C-R-E-S-T. This is also called crest. C-R-E-S-T. And this is called top land. This portion. From here to here, this is top land. These are the top land, this portion. And this is the bottom land. This is called this. This is also called root. This portion. This is the bottom land. This portion. This is the bottom land. Means this is also called root. So top land is called crest, and the bottom land is called what? Root. Understand? And this one is the addendum circle. This is the addendum circle, which is passing through the top line. This circle, if we draw a circle throughout the gear, this is addendum circle. This is addendum circle. And if we draw a circle through this bottom line, this is called dedendum circle. This is called dedendum circle. So this one is the addendum circle and this is the dedendum circle. If we draw a circle here, then that circle is called dedendum circle. So, and here is this a pitch circle. So what do you mean by addendum? Addendum, it is the distance between the addendum circle and pitch circle. This one. This is called addendum. Understand? And this is denoted by small a. This is denoted by small a. This distance, the addendum is the radial distance. You can see this is the radius. So radial distance, this is the radius. So this is the radial distance between the pitch and pitch circle. This is the pitch circle and this is the addendum circle. The distance is called addendum. Understand? It is also defined as the radial height of the tooth above the pitch circle. It is also defined as the radial height of the tooth above the pitch circle, and it is denoted by the letter small a. Understand? We are assuming that this a almost equals to the module. This distance is almost equal to the module. Understand? Almost a is almost equal to this module m. Almost equal to the module. And dedendum. What is the dedendum? This is the dedendum circle. Understand? This is the dedendum circle. This is the dedendum circle, and it is the radial distance between pitch circle and dedendum circle. The distance between radial distance between the dedendum circle and the pitch circle, it is called dedendum. And so from here to here, this is called dedendum, and this is denoted by small d. This is denoted by small d. Understand? This is denoted by small d. So dedendum, actually we can write here dedendum small d equals to what? Now addendum small d equals to addendum plus clearance. Addendum plus clearance. Addendum plus clearance. Understand? So this distance dedendum equals to addendum plus clearance. So small d. What is the clearance? What is the clearance? Clearance is the difference between the dedendum and addendum of the gear tooth. Understand? Dedendum, it is the difference of dedendum. Clearance C equals to so clearance equals to dedendum addendum. C equals to D dedendum minus addendum. D minus A. If this is addendum, so clearance equals to dedendum minus addendum. Understand? From this formula, clearance equals to dedendum minus addendum. So actually you can see with the help of this picture what is the clearance. You can see here, this is the addendum circle of this gear, two meshing gears, addendum circle, and this is the dedendum circle of this gear. So this distance from the top land of this and the bottom land of this distance is called the clearance. Understand? I think all of you understand it, that what is the meaning of clearance. It is denoted by, and another one, that is base circle. Base circle. The base circle is an imaginary circle from which the involute curves of the tooth profile is generated. Understand, this base circle, another term, that is base circle. So base circle is an imaginary circle from which the involute curve of the tooth profile is generated. So base circle is just here. So this is the involute curve. This is the involute curve up to that point. Suppose base circle is here. Up to that point, the involute curve is generated. From here, this is the curve generated from here. This is the involute curve. This one is the, so from here, it starts from here. So this, if we draw a circle through these points, so this will be called a base circle. Understand? Base circle. So base circle of two mating gears are tangent to the pressure line. The diameter of base circle may be obtained the equation dV equals to d cos j, where j is the pressure angle. I will tell you later what do you mean by the pressure angle. I will discuss it with the pressure angle later. I will discuss you. So these are the terms. Another terms that is here in the nomenclature of gear, that is fillet radius. Fillet radius means this radius, this is called fillet, and here you can see a radius. This radius is called fillet radius, and we can calculate is this radius, that is R, capital R, equals to is the fillet radius, that is CP. CP means circular pitch. CP by 8. If we divide the CP by 8, then we can get the radius of this fillet. This radius is called fillet radius. You can see a curve of this fillet. This is called fillet radius. Understand? These are the main terms. The other terms I will discuss you later when we solve or when we want to draw any gear. So I think all of you understand. Thank you.